Here's how to make an Eton Mess Traybake. Firstly, add your butter to a mixing bowl, along with your golden cast sugar and beat together. Add 4 large eggs, one at a time, then your self-raising flour and your ground almonds and your vanilla extract. Then add your double cream and your milk and give it a whisk with your strawberries and raspberries. This is going to cook for 30 to 40 minutes at 190. For the top end, we're using double cream, icing sugar, cream cheese, vanilla extract, crushed meringues and some crushed raspberries. We're going to palette this on, and all we're going to do now is decorate with some fresh berries and some crushed meringue.